If you're struggling with how to change the name of your YouTube channel, come with me. Let me put you through on how you can do that in easy steps. These are the steps to change your YouTube channel name. First, open your web browser. Here, I'll be using Google Chrome, okay? Visit studio.youtube.com. You can see the link here. Once you're landed on this page, scroll down to this section and click on Customization. On getting to this customization page, scroll down again. You can see this space name. Here, I call this Godwin Tech 2, all right? So I can click here and call it a different name, okay? And here, I call this Classic Information, which is the new name, all right? So once you're done giving your own YouTube channel a new name, come to this section and click on Publish. And if I click here to the studio, I'll be taken to the dashboard again. With time, this will change. It's still showing Godwin Tech 2, but within 24 hours, it will change to the new name I gave to it. So if you want to confirm if the name really changed, you can still click here to the customization and scroll down to make sure the name you inserted is still there. All right. So you can see classic information is saved, is here. So with time, it will change. As you can see, it has changed here within few minutes. Okay. So that's how you do it. Okay. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we teach a lot that cuts across technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn, alright? Hit the like button, the one that points up like this so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. And leave a comment in the comment section, okay? Watch this video here to learn all the tools you need to succeed on YouTube. Thank you and see you some other time.